We start out with our exhibit and its transport configuration in the tote bag. So to begin, we start with our exhibit completely inside the bag, and if we unzip it, you will see that everything fits perfectly inside the tote bag. As you can see, we have our poster. The poster was the only component of our exhibit which didn't fit directly inside the tote bag, so we scored it, being able to fold it in half so that it wasn't too tall, as well as the main exhibit itself. In our exhibit, everything fit perfectly inside the tote bag, allowing us to not have to break anything down for transportation. When users walk up to our exhibit, the first thing they will do is tilt the joystick in any direction, causing the red LEDs, which represent airports, to light up. Once these LEDs light up, the user should navigate to the first airport that they want to build their path from and press down on the button on the joystick. Pressing down on an airport will cause its color to turn from red to purple, signifying it is part of their flight path. As shown, the user will then press down on each LED they want to be a part of their path, ending up with a green line of LEDs connecting all the airports. As shown, the back of our exhibit is open, allowing us to feed a wire connecting to a computer which operates as our power source. Our exhibit also displays the calculated fuel cost and distance from the user's flight path, which they can use to see how efficient their path truly was. This is part of the educational component of our exhibit. Here we have a showcase of how our joystick works. It can move up, down, left, or right, and pressing down will cause an LED to turn green. Pressing on a previously lit spot will remove its color. Here is a showcase of the LED grid, which lies under the outline of the US that we printed out and taped on top. Shown here is the wiring of our exhibit. Our joystick connects to an Arduino Mega, while all of the LEDs for the LED grid are also plugged into this Mega and various breadboards. Once users are done creating their flight path, they're invited to enter their name, the distance they traveled, and the total cost of their fuel, which MATLAB will then convert into an efficiency score. They can choose whether or not they would like to add another entry, and their score will be added to the leaderboard. To further showcase our educational aspect of our exhibit, we have our poster. The main panel of our exhibit operates as a how-to play, while the sides contain information about planes. Such information includes facts about how flight routes help keep the sky clean, how plane engines are becoming quieter, and how we manage fuel loads on flights. As you can see, breaking down our exhibit is as easy as setting it up. The box which houses all of our wiring is able to be easily picked up and placed inside the bag, while the poster is able to fold and also be placed right next to the box inside the tote bag.